Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are all of you? Today we will start types of electric circuit. There are two types of the electric circuit. First one is series circuit and second one is parallel circuit. Series circuit, you have seen here that this one is a series circuit in which all the lights and all the light bulbs are connected one another. They are connected side by side. They are connected side by side. And in a parallel circuit, each bulb is connected and making a new circuit. Each bulb is connected and making a new. In parallel circuit, you have seen here that these bulbs are making a new circuit. This one is one circuit, this one is second one, and this one is third one. In a series circuit, now we will start all the light bulbs are connected in side by side. These all light bulbs are connected side by side to each other. There is only one path for the current to flow. There is only one path for the current to flow. This is a series circuit. Representation of the series circuit. A battery is connected here and this is a switch. And there is only one path for the current to flow. This current, electric current provided by this battery is provided from one bulb, then second light bulb, then it moves towards the third light bulb. There is only one path. The electric current will move from first, second and third. Again battery, first, second and third. There is only one path for the current to flow. The amount of the current flows through each component is same. The amount of the bulb flow through each component is same. Next one is disadvantages of the series circuit. Only one path for the current to flow. As I have discussed and tell you earlier that there is only one path for the current to flow. Break at any part of the circuit stops the flow of the current in whole circuit. If there is a break occur, if I said that the break is occurred near to second light bulb, then this will stop the flow of the current in this whole circuit. The current will not flow in this whole circuit. Next one is activity 11.1. First, connect a battery, keys and two 1.5 volt bulbs in a series. Firstly, we have to connect two light bulbs. Here I have shown you that these are two light bulbs are connected here in a circuit. Add another bulb and key in series with other two bulbs. Here we will connect three light bulbs. Here we connect three light bulbs. Here we connected three light bulbs. First we connected two and then three. After that, after connecting three light bulbs, switch on the key. In second step, we have added one bulb in this series circuit and three bulbs are now present. Three light bulbs are now present. Replace one of the light bulbs with burn out light bulb. First question is related to second point. Second point is if we add one. First question is related to how does the brightness of the light bulbs change in step 2. In step 2 we have added a light bulb. What will happen to its brightness? The brightness of light, all the light bulbs is affected, and the brightness of all the light bulbs are affected, and their brightness is, and they are not too much bright, What happened to the other light bulb in the circuit in step 3? In step 3 we have added a burned out light bulb. If burned out light bulb, as we have seen earlier that I have told you earlier that there is only one path for the current to flow. And disadvantage is that if a break is occurred here, just I have told you earlier that if a break is occurred here, the whole circuit is affected. If we put a blue out bulb, light bulb here, then the other bulbs would not be able to light up because the flow of the electric current have been interrupted. If one bulb is blew out, then all of the others light bulbs will not blow up. Why? The current is interrupted. The electric current is interrupted here.